In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Los Angeles. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to complete payment safely on the official court portal. First, open your browser and go to the Superior Court of California, County of Los Angeles traffic portal at lacourt.ca.gov/traffic-I1. This is the only official website for LA County traffic matters. Avoid paying through random links, texts, or third-party sites even if they look convincing. Always type the address yourself or use a trusted bookmark. Once you're on the site, select Traffic Online Services. You'll see a user agreement. Read through the terms so you know how your information will be used and what the portal can and cannot do. When you're ready, accept the agreement to continue to the ticket lookup page. To find your case, you can search using either your citation, which is your ticket number, or your driver's license number. Have your paperwork handy and enter the information exactly as it appears, including any letters or leading zeros. A quick double check of spelling and numbers can prevent errors and retries. After submitting, the system will pull up your case details. Take a moment to review everything. You'll see the violation type, the total fine, often labeled as bail, your due date, and your available options, which typically include paying the ticket, requesting traffic school if eligible, or contesting the citation. Courts usually mail a notice with this information, but the portal lets you confirm it anytime and make sure you're meeting deadlines. Next, choose the option that fits your situation. Paying the ticket is the same as pleading guilty, which ends the case but may add points to your driving record. If you're eligible for traffic school, you can pay and enroll through the process. Completing traffic school can help prevent an insurance increase. If you believe you're not guilty, you can choose to contest and request a trial instead of paying online. If you decide to pay, follow the prompts to enter your credit or debit card information. The portal may add a small online service fee, which will be shown before you finalize. Make sure your billing details are correct and don't refresh or navigate away while the payment is processing. When the payment goes through, save or print your receipt right away. Keep it as proof of payment and consider taking a screenshot too. If you requested traffic school, note your deadlines and complete the course on time. That's it. You've handled your ticket online through the official LA Court portal.